entrepreneur. I want to thank you both. Your comments were both instructional, they were informative, they were really inspiring. So I want to also ask, with the election of President Obama, no, this is for both of you. Yes, do you believe, and if so, how do you believe his election will add value to your concept of world peace and to mutual respect, which I absolutely found fascinating. So I would love to hear your comments on this.
No, you go.
Okay. All right. Okay, fine. I really want Obama to succeed. I really, really want him to succeed. We all know the arguments from an American point of view, but what we don't know is the arguments from India's point of view, which is what I'd like to talk about. There is a lot of discussion in the Indian press that, you know, we need the Indian Obama. We need the Indian Obama. But they got it wrong. They got it wrong. They are naming politicians like Mayawati or like Karunanidhi, people like that, who are representing a faction, a minority, which has a chip on the shoulder, which is not speaking for the nation, which is not healing, which is not saying I speak for all Indians. But Mayawati says, I speak for the Dalits and they are victims of other people and we got to hate them and bring them down in order that we come up. So while the Indian press is saying, is Mayawati the Indian Obama and is Karunanidhi the Indian Obama, they are more like Louis Farrakhan and Malcolm X. Because those guys had a chip on the shoulder approach to the nation. Obama did not run as a black, he ran as an American. He said, I just happen to be black, but the point is I'm the best candidate for the entire United States. For everybody, I'm the best president. Now, the Indian minorities should learn from that. The Indian minority leaders should quit this minorityism, and I need more quotas for my group and fight other groups and all that, which is tearing India apart into fragments. And the real moral of Obama that India should learn is that we need minorities who get beyond this chip on the shoulder, historical identity, conflict business, and speak for the entire nation. That kind of an Obama India doesn't have yet, and we need it very badly.
Very good.